In this video, San Diego police attempt to arrest a man in Crest, suspected of stabbing a woman at a pharmacy in the San Diego state area.
So let's take your car, just drive forward. We'll drive forward in his car.
I can give him PAs, see if he'll
Just drive to, like, pass with this retainer wall is right there, and we'll follow it. Okay. Yeah, and
we're going to do that. We're going to pull up on you, and then we'll contact your PA.
yeah. That one right there. San Diego PD, hands up! Hands up right there. Do not go into the vehicle. Do not go into the vehicle. Do not open. Hands up. Hands up. Hey, do not do that. Hands up. Hands up. Do not reach into the vehicle. You will be shot. You're gonna get shot. Hands up. Walk back towards us. Do not reach into anything. You will be shot. You will be shot. Hands up. Get your hands on the car! Hey, I see something in his right pocket. He's got a rifle! Beam back him, beam back him. Hands up, beam back him! Again, beam back him. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Hit him again. Get on the ground! On the ground! He's still reaching. Shots fired. Shots fired. Suspect's down.
Away from the gun!
Let's keep an eye here, make sure nobody else comes from here.
He's got a knife in his right pocket! Knife in his right pocket!
Ready?
I can take him out.
All right. Okay, hey, go. I got you. Do not reach for anything.
Get on your back. I got him. Come on, guys.
Unit 309, we're taking him into custody. Medics are cleared in. Help me out here. Nice. Unit 309, SIC.
This is where he shot. Pat him down real quick and if we get medics are out.
Yeah, they're in
Yeah.
route. They're in route.
Just clear it outside, guys.
Okay. Ready? You want to bring the dog to clear the rest of the house? Okay. All right. All right.
Just in case, man.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, ready?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Got it. Clear. Keep going. I'll pull the door. Yeah. Does it reach open? It's locked on the inside? Yeah, it's locked on the inside. Alright.
We'll go around the other side. They're asking, did any sheriff shoot? No. You shot? Yeah. Okay, I shot a 2 shooters so far?
You're gonna turn around, there'll be 2 shooters. SDPD.
North for 49 North. I'm a couple out. Do you want me up there with you or on a perimeter position with another dog?
Nash 1, I got a white male, blue hat, white shirt, blue jacket, walking back towards the vehicle now. Looks like he's loading something up in the horse trailer or possibly the excursion. Yeah, looks like a match for your suspect.
Yeah, for a male walking, loading something in the vehicle in the trailer. We're going to keep the air clear.
So he's out by the vehicle. Vehicle's on the eastern edge of the property. He's loading something into the rear side of the driver's side, rear door of the driver's side. And looks like he's getting in the driver's side, looking up at us.
And from male is getting into vehicles, loading something into the driver's side.
So we got Spikes, Tasha View Way and La Cresta Boulevard. He can only get out going westbound, so if you guys can block that exit with Spikes.
For unit Spikes at Tasha View and La Cresta.
If he's in his car or possibly getting in his car and might be heading out, so we got some Spikes we can wait on in Tasha View.
Yeah, he's looking up at us pretty hard. He has the driver's side door open. He's pretty slow moving, making an attempt to climb into the driver's seat. He's having a hard time lifted. But it does look like he's getting in and might be leaving soon, so if you guys want to put those Spikes down.
For now, 10-4. We're setting up Spikes right now.
10-4.
Alright, 10-4. And he still has the door open. I don't know what you guys plan on, if you want to get him up at the top of the driveway or come down and get him here. Either way works.
Region Lincoln, if they have units there and they're set up on something, maybe we can give him announcements before he even starts driving.
29-4 North, copy.
10-4, we got multiple units over there. If we come over here on Tasha View, for Astro, is that our best access to his backyard? We can go there and make contact.
Yeah, so right now best access is Tasha View Way, so you take that eastbound. You'll see like a dirt turnout. He's in the east end of that dirt turnout. I can give him PAs and see if he'll prone out or anything by the vehicle, and you guys can go down that way if you want to try that.
We're on 10-4, yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to pull on Tasha View and then we'll make contact, do PAs, and try and keep it contained outside.
Okay, he's back out of the vehicle. He is he's definitely walking like a 7-year-old. He's moving pretty slow. So if you guys want to just start making your way down here, we'll start giving him PAs. He's trying to get back into the barn right now, so he's walking kind of southwestbound towards the barn.
Subject walking. Southwest Soldier Barn.
Master, what was his name again?
Oh no, where am I at right now? I can't see a lot. There's big brush back here.
Okay, that lead vehicle, you're going to keep going. You're going to go past the houses on your left. There's a little dirt turnout, like a gravel road on your right-hand side. You take that, you nose in there, you're going to be face on with him standing by his barn.
10-4, eyes on.
10-4, eyes on Astro, such as Frank Brower.
Alright, several units, 97-51 on the suspect.
Several units, 97, eyes on subject.
Alright, opening the rear door to the driver's side of his vehicle.
For opening the rear door on the driver's side.
Alright, they're still addressing him. He's still by the driver's side door, no movement yet.
10-4 unit still addressing the subject. So just
Digging around in the rear of the vehicle right now.
subject going to the rear of the vehicle, 10-4.
Looks like they're deploying some less lethal. Reaching for something in the car. Looks like he may have a rifle or something in that door, guys. Take cover.
10-4 deploying less lethal.
Okay, he's armed with a gun. Looks like shots fired.
10-4 shots fired on La Cresta.
Suspect down.
10-4 shots fired. Suspect down 800 La Cresta Boulevard.
Alright, suspect is on his back, still by the driver's side of the vehicle. The gun is about 3 feet away from him and away from his right arm. Still moving.
Suspect down on his back by the driver's side vehicle. Gun's 3 feet away from his right arm.
Units are making their approach now.
10-4 units approaching now.
Detaining one.
Detaining one on La Cresta.
Clear now. We're taking him into custody. Medics are clearing.
10-4 medics are clearing for La Cresta.